to be part of something like Team Wales is special. That feeling of belonging when you're wearing the Welsh vest, especially being around other Welsh athletes, is so unique. One thing I've recently picked up from being a dad,
What's this, Susan?
it doesn't matter how I feel, it matters what I am. To my son, I'm a dad, so it doesn't matter if I'm tired, I still need to get up and look after him. Come on. I've really experienced that in my training, the days where I'm like tired and I'm struggling.
Come on, let's go!
I am a sprinter, so I need to work towards being the best version of myself. I always thought, if I believe I can do something, I can achieve it. And I think I've showed that with my career, and that's just the legacy I'm trying to leave behind. For me, I get to leave the track every day and I go home and he's there running up to me. Track and field aside, that is my purpose, to raise my son. At the end of the day, I definitely want to win medals for Wales, but ultimately, the things that I experienced before that are the successes for me. And they're the reason why I'm able to step on the track and perform, because I'm loved before and after whatever result I achieve.